This video is sponsored by Canadian Filaments, but more on that later. The new and improved spine segments prevent the arm from twisting, which was an issue with the first prototype. The claw section is still a work in progress. This design utilizes flexible TPU filament to get a more organic tentacle-like action, rather than a mechanical claw. Big thanks to Canadian Filaments for providing me with a roll of their textured black PLA, and for 3D printing the parts for the arm. Canadian Filaments was generous enough to sponsor this video. They are a great company with the goal to manufacture affordable, high-quality, and more sustainable 3D printer filaments. They have a fast-growing selection of materials, and I will be using their products for as long as I have a 3D printer. I strongly recommend you check them out. Website links are in the description down below.